Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 little boys, and this channel is made for cleaning and motherhood. Today we are deep cleaning my fridge, and this is in collaboration with Hannah from Home with Hannah here on YouTube. I hope that y'all go over to her channel after you watch my video and give her some love. I'm actually going to insert her intro for this video in just a few minutes. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment down below and give this video a like.
Hello everyone, my name is Hannah from Home with Hannah here on YouTube. On my channel I create a lot of cooking, cleaning, and decorating content. I upload new videos 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I would love it if you come over and check out my video on my channel and subscribe after you finish with my friend Krista's video here.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything out of the fridge and set it aside. That way I can kind of see what I'm working with. I know that this fridge is already a mess, so I'm not really looking forward to it. I'm sure you can probably tell, but I knew that it needed to get done.
Never thought I had to miss you and I.
So this is the cheese drawer and lunch meat drawer, and it had a lot of stuck on like shredded cheese on the bottom that I could just not get out. It literally took me forever. I had to let the all-purpose cleaner soak it up until you can get it wet for me to even get it out. As you can see, I'm struggling here.
Never thought I'd be so far from home. Never thought our love could grow so cold. Never thought we had to run through burning fire.
I also wanted to mention that I am just going to be popping in and out during this video, as I'm not going to do much of a voiceover in this video. I just thought I would let y'all enjoy the music and watch.
Time changes people live. It's a change of season when the tide comes rolling in and you realize there's nothing there to begin. Never thought I'd be so far from home. Never thought our love could grow so cold. Never thought we had to run through burning fire. Never thought I had to miss you and I. Oh, I'm counting roadblocks, you're counting crossroads. They were always there.
So I'm just going to take my amazing Whip It all-purpose cleaner and give the fridge a good scrub down.
On this crooked road called life, it was never meant to be you and I. Never thought I'd be so far from home.
Hey y'all, so this is the part that grosses me out. I have never taken out these drawers since we moved in here with my mama. So there was just a bunch of, as you can see, a bunch of bits and pieces that I had to get out of there, and I really did not want to do that. It was so gross to me, but it's such a great feeling looking back on this and seeing how clean the fridge is now.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song.
And here we go back to the cheese and meat drawer. I let it soak for a little bit in some all-purpose cleaner, and then I go at it with a scrub brush, and eventually out it just took a little bit of hard work and willpower.
The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. We were undiscovered, didn't care for one another, you and I.
the last thing I had to do was right here in the door where we keep all the sauces and butter and things like that. So I just took everything out, door drawer, I guess is what it's called, and I just wiped it all out and put everything back in a certain spot.
You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends. Be feeling same as the beginning. Waste of time, waste of time. Somehow you intruded, lost in your illusions. I was fine, I was fine. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends. Undiscovered, didn't care for one another. You and I thought I lost my way, but you washed out all the gray.
And we are actually reaching the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you got a little bit of motivation or it relaxed you as you just watched. Either way, let me know in a comment down below what you did. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well, and I will see you all in the next video.